Okay, here's a trash can.
Episode 5.
This is episode 5.
Oh look, there's a, there's 6 too.
There are some normal content in there. Well,
like,
almost normal.
It looks like someone's trying to kill a vampire.
Yeah, like me. Anyways.
You're not a vampire. You have to be. You're in the sun.
True. Anyways, we got some Ruffles, baked, other stuff.
You're sick. Wait, if I put the middle finger in front of your camera, would you have to demonetize it?
Yes.
Just kidding.
Okay, let's go find one more trash can.
That's that. Maybe like one, I guess.
Oh, location revealed.
Here's one right here. A lot of bananas. In the,
Bananas, chocolate milk.
Right beside some cardboard.
Yep.
Right here.
The usual.
You're not looking at the cardboard.
Yeah. And that has been episode 5 of What's Inside the Trash Can.